Okay, so a little story. My son came home from school last week and told me that another mum from school saw my channel and told her son to tell me that I will never make it. So just to set the record straight, I'm not here to make it. I'm not here to make money. I have a job that makes me money and pays me quite well. I do this because I love it and I enjoy it and I find it fun. And when I started this channel 3 years ago, I needed a challenge, and this was challenging and exciting and gave me something to do in my free time. I like to push myself, I like a challenge, and I like to be busy, and I love DIY. So I thought, why not give it a go? So I'm not here to become a YouTube god. That is not my goal. I am here to educate because I am a teacher and that's what I do. And I'm here because I enjoy it and I love it. And I thought to myself, when I got divorced, there are other women out there like me that need to learn to do things for themselves. And that was why I began it. For me, I was doing it to teach other women how to look after themselves and take care of business without getting ripped off. And I've achieved that, and people contact me all the time to thank me for doing that. And that is all the payment I need. But if you're like me and you also want to stick it to the man and you think, why do people have to kick you when you're down, and why do people have to comment when it's not needed, then like and subscribe and let's prove her wrong, hey? Anyways, there's a new video coming soon. I know I haven't done anything for a while. I've been busy, working, having a life, being a mum. So I'm going to get to work over these school holidays and a new video will be out soon. Thank you for following. Thank you to all the people that contact me and have wonderful things to say. You are the reason I do this, not because of some mum at school telling me that I'm never going to make it.